I'm Carolyn Sanderson, and I'm the founder of Healthy Leaders. I'm here because we're in the final stretches of a virtual fundraising campaign, and I need your help. In 2007, I bought an ice cream truck and began the restoration process. Several community members chipped in, donated art, and together we transformed it into the visual icon of Healthy Leaders. The purpose of the Snack Attack truck is to provide a mobile platform to go into various communities to offer healthy foods, but to also offer tools to help people to adopt a healthy lifestyle. So we'll be doing everything from hosting fitness events to food tastings to lectures and presentations from this truck. What we're most excited about, this is a very new development. We recently partnered with Michelle Obama's Let's Move campaign, and our first challenge as a community partner is to sign up people for the President's Challenge. Support the launch of Healthy Leaders. You're going to do a great service in the community. The money, the $15,000, is directly going to go to a couple of upgrades that are going to make our truck green. An engine conversion, so we'll be converting it to run on natural gas as well as solar power. We're also making a few kitchen upgrades so that we can offer fresh smoothies, and then also your contribution will help to support all the marketing materials that we need to get people informed, excited, and connected to the Healthy Leaders movement. You know, this is what I'm passionate, believe in, and fighting for, and I hope that you will join me and visit www.indiegogo.com. So please spread the word, make your contribution today. Thank you so much. I'm Carolyn Sanderson. God bless.